Hey there guys, it's Marcus, and in this video I will show step-by-step process how you can easily change a refresh rate of your display in Windows 11. So what is really important to say, guys, is that if this video will be helpful, I'll be really happy if you would write in the comments that this video actually helped you. It would mean a lot to me. So the first thing you want to do is right click on Windows here and click settings. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna be right here and just click on the system and click on the display. So when you're going to be in display, you're going to have which one you want to actually change and edit. Then you're going to have related settings on the down below and click advanced display. And right here, you're going to have select the display that you want to edit. And then you can have a refresh rate here. I have only this one for this display because it's a notebook, but here you're gonna find all your refresh rate. Again, guys, if this video was helpful, you can support me and subscribe, and also let down below in the comments for others that this video helped you. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.